Hello, Bill Moomaw, Toyota Technical Training. Here with a video on storing and saving data on Techstream. This may sound like the same thing, but actually it's not. And we're going to get into the details of this in this video. File management in Techstream, when saving the data, is actually a two-step process. You first have to store the data and then save the data. Now this may sound like the same thing, but actually it's not. When you're doing a health check, the storing function is automatic. So long as you check the box Store All Data when you're going into the health check. Click the button Store All Data. If you don't do that, then your freeze frame data, diagnostic trouble code information, and a bunch of other information will not be saved. Okay, now that the health check is done, we can see that we have all this data collected from this health check. To find this data, you'll go over here to the Stored Data tab. That's what we're in right now, but we're going to expand that and we're going to look in these different areas. So there are different sections of this. There's actually 3 different types of data that you'll find. You'll find vehicle data, which is found in the health check area. Then you'll find system data, which is system-specific data below the health check in these ECUs here. And then, if available, if there is a problem, down at the bottom would be a Techstream error report. This one we don't have an error report, so it's not showing up, but that's the third type of data. In a later video, we'll go into this data and look at what's stored in here. Okay, now that we've done our health check and we have our stored data, the last thing we have to do before we exit is to go up to File and then Save or Save As. If you click Save, it'll ask you where you want to save it to. So in this case here, from our new user that we set up, new guy, we're going to save it to that location. Now when it comes to renaming the file, I would recommend don't rename the file. There's a lot of vital information in this file name that's pre-populated. The date, the time, the VIN number, the engine, the model, and the year. Just keep that in there. Don't get in the habit of changing that name, because that information never changes to this vehicle, so just leave that alone. Click Save, and you're done. In a later video, we'll go in and find that information in Techstream.